To automatically decline calls on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with messages when you are exercising, you have to add decline call and send a quick message as one of the exercise mode action. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap exercise. Tap other action. Tap add action. Next, scroll down the screen. Tap function. Tap decline call and send a quick message. Select from the default messages or you can create your own. As the example, we will type a custom message. To do so, select custom message. Type your own message. Tap done button. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, when exercise mode is on, your phone will automatically decline all calls and send the selected message you select to the callers. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.